No crowds, no noise, just the sound of water, the rustling of trees, and maybe a curious monkey or two. This is Mandai Boardwalk, where nature takes the lead and time slows down. Before we begin, subscribe and turn on the bell for more travel tips. Welcome to Mandai Boardwalk, a hidden gem perfect for anyone who loves nature, scenic walks, and tranquil waters. Officially opened in January 2025, Mandai Boardwalk stretches 3.3 kilometers, skirting the edges of river wonders and the Singapore Zoo. It offers panoramic views of Upper Seletar Reservoir, lush greenery, and serves as a quiet retreat from the city's hustle. The trail is designed to be wheelchair-friendly and takes around 70 to 85 minutes to complete at a relaxed pace. The boardwalk features two main entrances: Kingfisher's Cave, located near Mandai Wildlife East, and Tree Frog's Hangout, situated adjacent to the entrance of River Wonders. You can start your journey from either point. The segment between these two entrances spans approximately 2.2 kilometers, offering a leisurely walk immersed in nature. Continuing from Tree Frog's Hangout to Iora's nest, a serene lookout inspired by the nests of the common Iora adds an additional 600 meters to your journey. If you're feeling tired along the way, don't worry, there are resting spots where you can take a break, relax, and enjoy the view. This brings the total distance to about 2.8 kilometers, with the remaining sections comprising various rest stops and scenic points along the reservoir. Along the boardwalk, you'll encounter unique thematic lookout points like Iora's nest, perfect for birdwatching and soaking in the tranquil reservoir views. If you're lucky, you might spot native wildlife such as the changeable hawk eagle, Sunda colugo, or even smooth-coated otters swimming near the shore. It's also a haven for birdwatchers and photographers. A word of caution: if you plan to visit in the afternoon, it can get extremely hot, so it's advisable to embark on your walk early in the morning or around sunset for a more comfortable experience. Additionally, avoid bringing snacks or packed food. Wild macaques inhabit the area and are known to snatch food or drinks from visitors. Carrying a reusable water bottle and keeping plastic bags out of sight can help prevent any unwanted encounters. Reaching Mandai Boardwalk is straightforward. The most convenient route is to take the MRT to Khatib Station, NS14, then board the Mandai Khatib Shuttle, which operates daily and takes approximately 20 minutes to reach the reserve. The shuttle fare is $2.50 per ride, payable via contactless payment methods such as EasyLink or major credit cards. The shuttle drops you near the entrance to the boardwalk. Alternatively, you can reach Mandai from Choa Chu Kang MRT NS4 by taking bus 927 or from Ang Mo Kio MRT NS16 and Springleaf MRT TE4 by taking bus 138. All these buses stop at the Singapore Zoo bus stop, which is a short walk from the Mandai Boardwalk entrance. Clear signage will guide you once you're there. While not all routes utilize the Mandai Shuttle, they're all reliable and well-connected, making the boardwalk easily accessible regardless of your starting point. To ensure an enjoyable experience for everyone, please adhere to the following guidelines. No fishing, cycling, or skating. These activities are prohibited to maintain safety and preserve the natural environment. Keep food out of sight. Wild macaques associate plastic bags and baby prams with food. Stay calm and quiet. Avoid sudden movements, loud noises, and flash photography. Observe from a distance. Don't touch, chase, or corner animals. Walk away slowly if they come near. No selfies with wildlife. Keep your distance and avoid photos with macaques. They're wild animals, not props. Never feed the wildlife. It's harmful to them and disrupts their natural behavior. Keep habitats clean. Don't litter. This ensures that waterways are safe and free from debris. By following these simple rules, we can all contribute to preserving the beauty and integrity of this natural sanctuary. Whether you're a nature lover, photography enthusiast, or simply seeking a break from urban life, Mandai Boardwalk offers a rejuvenating experience amidst Singapore's rich biodiversity. It's a place where tranquility meets natural beauty, all without spending a single cent. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to NBS Travel. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to check the comments. We've dropped all the location links and extra info there to help you plan your trip. Subscribe to NBS Travel for more tips. Safe travels!